the motorbike piece of the motorbike. This piece right here.
The front?
The front piece. I was trying to unscrew it so that the little wire that's holding it would just snap. But instead, I guess I applied a little bit more pressure, and it broke the front piece of the motorbike. But that was the only piece left for me to remove. I removed all screws, everything.
Angel.
Yes, my brother.
Did you break anything?
I broke I thought I was meant to unscrew this huge part, but the screw part, what I was trying to unscrew, came off from...
Well, you did it though.
I didn't.
Oh, shit.
I didn't see that.
But we both broke something, so I guess that still doesn't matter.
I'm talking about this. I didn't remove this part. I thought it was done.
It said to put that one, we see something on the screen.